Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we're going to make coconut fried rice. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So in my empty pot, I'm going to go ahead and add chicken stock, some meat seasoning, some curry, and coconut milk, and I'm going to give it a stir and mix to combine. Gonna cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. I'm going to add some Cameroon pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and add the parboiled rice and stir everything together. So the next thing is just to add the remaining coconut milk, and after that I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot and allow it to cook. So after like 10 to 15 minutes, this is how our rice is looking. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover this with non-stick baking paper, and I'm going to cover this and allow it to steam on a very low heat. So the next thing we're going to do is to add a little bit of virgin coconut oil into the pan, and we're going to top this up with extra virgin olive oil. You can go ahead and add any oil of your choice, any oil at all you can lay your hands, that's totally fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and fry the beef, and we're not going to fry this for so long because I don't want it super dry. I just want it to fry nicely. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to transfer this in a separate bowl. So now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process by adding another virgin coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. After mixing this up, I'll allow it to heat up a bit, and then I'll start frying the onion. In there I have fresh thyme and rosemary leaves for that beautiful aroma. So now we're going to start frying our onions, and after that we're going to add in our mixed bell peppers, and I'll give this a stir. Add in our paste, ginger and garlic paste, just added carrots and mix to combine, green peas and some seasoning cubes, scotch bonnet, and I'll give this a mix. So these have done their jobs now, so I'm just removing them. Finally adding butter now, the game changer, and this is going to make the rice to look so silky and taste so yummy. Yes, and after that I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to cover and allow to steam for 2 minutes. I thank you also so much for watching this video. I hope you love it, I hope you like it, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Remain blessed. Bye.
The love that pick me up when I was guilty, clean me up. When I was filthy, fill me up with the spirit. The love that run comes when others are alone.